In this video, you are going to see how to put a picture inside a circle in Google Slides. As you can see here, let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Image, click on Upload from Computer. And let me choose this picture and click on Open. Then a picture will be inserted. Now let me click on the picture, click on the Crop. Then again click on Format option. Now we need to crop the image in a square shape. Let us write here 5 and also write here 5. Now let us adjust it to place the image perfectly. Let me click on outside. If you want to adjust it again, click on over here, click on crop and you can adjust it like this. Now click on outside. Now select the image, use this option mask image, go to shape and click on oval. Then the picture will be inserted into the oval shape. If you want to rearrange it, just click on it, click on crop and you can adjust it like this very easily. Now click on outside. If you want to give outline color, select the image and you can apply from here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.